When you care this much about your work, it shows. For more than 20 years, Tri-County Enterprises has been helping Eastern Iowans add long-lasting curb appeal to their homes with high-quality, low-maintenance siding products backed by top-of-the-line service. Our team's expertise, combined with our proven process, means a quality finished product and a great customer experience.
Every project begins with a call to our friendly office staff who gather your information and put you in touch with the right manager for the job. Our team are excellent communicators, and we pride ourselves on being easy to reach. Before we draft a proposal, one of our experienced estimators meets with you at the job site to get a better sense of your vision for the project. We take the time to get to know the details, from your budget and time constraints to your style and material preferences. At the job site, we take thorough measurements and identify potential challenges that might arise once the project is underway. With a clear understanding of your goals and situation, we help you review your options and select the right course of action. Product selection is easier with a Tri-County representative to walk you through your choices, compare samples, and give you their unbiased recommendations based on your needs and preferences.
Our team also works with you to create a design that matches your home's architecture, as well as your personal tastes. Whether you're looking for a clean, simple design to unify the look of your home, distinct borders and trim lines to highlight your favorite architectural features, or an eye-catching design with a mix of complementary colors and textures, Tri-County pays close attention to your needs and preferences when putting together our recommendations. Since we only use the most trusted products, no matter which product or style of siding you choose, your home will keep its charm and curb appeal for decades to come. Tri-County offers vinyl, polymeric, and wood composite siding from industry-leading brands like Everlast, Mastic, and CertainTeed Siding. Perfect for harsh extremes of Iowa weather, Western Extreme Siding from Mastic uses next-generation technology to protect against damaging infrared light, low humidity, and rapid temperature changes, making it one of the highest quality vinyl siding products on the market today. For enhanced curb appeal and durability, wood composite siding from LP SmartSide and Everlast offer a realistic wood look without the maintenance of the real thing. In most cases, there's more to your exterior refinish than just siding. Tri-County carries accessories to complement and enhance your siding, from stone cladding to shutters, gutter screens, soffits, and fascia. We can also install new doors or windows to complete your look and give your home's exterior a complete refresh. After you've narrowed down your favorite products, we sit down with you to go over our proposal in detail, giving you plenty of time to ask questions and make adjustments. Once you're confident in your design and product selection, we immediately get to work ordering the materials and scheduling the installation. Every project at Tri-County is assigned a dedicated supervisor who assembles the most qualified crew for the job based on their skills and experience. We take education and training seriously, and our team has acquired the highest level of certifications possible. Our efficient process keeps the job moving along at a steady pace to minimize interruption to your daily life.
So you can follow along with our progress, we provide you with a customer web portal that lets you track the status of your project, view invoices, and make secure online payments.
Our goal at Tri-County is always to exceed your expectations. We carry only high-quality products to make sure your project is successful, but it's our unbeatable service that sets us apart. We go to great lengths to arrive at exactly the time our scheduler says we'll be there. We're also known for our timeliness and fast but careful installation. So we never rush a job, we do as much prep work as we can ahead of time, so the process moves smoothly and quickly from the moment our trucks pull up to your house to the moment we wave goodbye. During installation, our project supervisor is available on site to explain the entire plan and keep you updated on the team's progress in real time. Everyone on our team treats your home and your space with respect, as if it were our own. Before we get started, our crew moves your valuables out of harm's way and covers the perimeter of your home with tarps for fast and effective cleanup. With the project underway, we take care to keep the job site tidy, and as it nears completion, we clean the area thoroughly. After your new siding is installed and has been thoroughly inspected by the project supervisor, we walk you through the job site to show you our work and get your final approval.
Since Tri-County first got started in 1997, we've served more than 30,000 satisfied customers. We're proud of the reputation we've earned and invite you to look us up on your favorite review site. See what your neighbors and friends are saying about their experience with Tri-County Enterprises on Google, Facebook, and Angie's List, where we're consistently rated with top scores. Or check us out on the Better Business Bureau, where we've had an A+ rating and 0 complaints since we were accredited. Or see for yourself. Give us a call at 319-364-2220 and tell us about your home exteriors challenges.